Howdy friends and neighbors, it's old Dale Collins coming to you again today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. We're located at 3095 Dave Ward Drive in beautiful Conway, Arkansas. In this video, we're presenting some helpful information on the Red Delicious apple tree variety. There are currently over 2,500 different apple tree varieties in the United States alone. The Red Delicious apple tree has long been the most popular and most planted apple tree in the United States. It has a long shelf life, and the fruit will last from 3 to 6 months if stored in the refrigerator. The Red Delicious apple tree produces medium to large sized, beautiful red apples. They are tender, crisp, juicy, with a mild, sweet flavor. Standard, full-size, mature Red Delicious apple trees get to 18 to 20 feet tall and 18 to 20 feet wide. They grow in USDA Hardiness Grow Zones 5 through 8. The Red Delicious apple trees prefer full sun. They grow well in acidic, moist, well-drained soil. Red Delicious apples are normally harvested from mid-September through mid-October. They are not heat tolerant. They have a fast growth rate. They normally take from 2 to 4 years to bear fruit. Red Delicious apple trees are not self-fertile. They need a compatible cultivar growing within 100 feet to ensure pollination. Apple varieties will work as a pollinator for the Red Delicious apple trees, but we recommend the Yellow Delicious apple trees. Several different Yellow Delicious apple trees are one of the top pollinators of all apple tree varieties. You'll soon see why the Red Delicious apple tree and the beautiful red tasty apples that it produces is long been known as America's favorite apple. And to say thanks for watching. But before we let you go, let me remind you that there's at least 5 things that I can think of that you can do to help this channel as we continue to grow and reach out to people across the country and around the world. And the first one is to hit that like button. If you like this video, if it's been a help and blessing to you, hit the like button. Go ahead and do it right there. Bam! That's it. And then the second one you can do is to share this video. If you have other people that are like-minded and have the same interest that you think these videos would be a help and a blessing to, I want to personally encourage you to share these videos with them. And then, of course, the other thing is to comment. We encourage you to comment. Put your comments down below, and I'll do my best to get back with you just as quick as I possibly can. And then there's that real fun one, the real interesting one, and that is the little bell notification button. Ding, ding, ding. Make sure that you hit it up there, and that way you will be notified when we come out with new videos. And of course, the other one is to make sure you have personally subscribed to this channel. And that all you do there is simply hit that subscribe button. I'm not for sure where it is on that screen or where it is, but somewhere you'll find it there. And you hit that subscribe button and it'll be all right. Listen, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.